There you are, with a fresh cup of coffee, wondering whether the 2023 Kia Niro EV Wind or the Chevy Bolt EUV Premier is your ultimate ride. Don't fret, we're here to put these green tech marvels head to head. Ever thought about a chariot that would whoosh you a whopping 253 miles on a single charge? Yes, the Kia Niro EV Wind is like the energetic hare that could beat the distance runner turtle, the Bolt EUV Premier, which gives you 247 miles. Although, in all honesty, that's like comparing the speeds of Superman and the Flash, isn't it? Dive into your pocket and you'll find the Bolt EUV Premier sitting comfortably at $32,300, undercutting the Kia Niro EV Wind's $39,550. But wait, there's more. There's something really zippy about these machines. Both packing lithium-ion batteries with near-identical power 64.8 kilowatt-hours for the Niro and 65 kilowatt-hours for the Bolt. These rides sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour, but the Bolt steals the show with a snappier 7 seconds, compared to the Niro's 7.4 seconds. The horsepower race is a nail-biter, with the Niro flexing 201 horsepower and the Bolt lagging by a horse with 200 horsepower. In the league of top speeds, Niro claims victory with 103 miles per hour, while the Bolt trails with 92 miles per hour. Both these stallions use front-wheel drives and can seat your entire family of 5. Peek into the wheel wells, and you'll find the Niro flaunting 17-inch alloy wheels, competing against the Bolt's 17-inch machined face aluminum wheels. And when it comes to gravity battles, the Bolt is a featherweight, tipping the scales at 3,715 pounds, against Niro's slightly bulkier 3,803 pounds. Cargo volume, you ask? The Niro stuns with a cavernous 63.7 cubic feet, while the Bolt offers a cozy 56.9 cubic feet. Niro further impresses with a "hide my briefcase" front trunk of 0.83 cubic feet, while the Bolt has, well, nada. Touch, swipe, tap. The Niro sports a 10.25-inch touchscreen with a matching digital instrument display. The Bolt? A 10.2-inch infotainment touchscreen and the same size digital gauge screen. Need a quick power boost? The Niro's got your back, revving up at a charging rate max of 85 kilowatts. The Bolt, however, trails with 55 kilowatts. Warranty-wise, the Niro wins the marathon with a basic 5 years, 60,000 miles and an impressive 10-year, 100,000 miles EV battery warranty. The Bolt comes with a 3-year, 36,000 miles basic and an 8-year, 100,000 miles EV battery warranty. Lastly, these rides are not just cars. They're robot butlers on wheels. The Niro offers smart cruise control with stop-and-go, highway driving assist, enhanced auto emergency braking technology with junction turning detection, blind spot detection technology, and more. The Bolt counters with HD surround vision, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, and hands-free driver assistance technology for compatible roads. Now that you've got the rundown, the choice is yours.